Hello students, welcome you all. Today in the present video we are going to learn the very important reactions of aldehydes and ketones. So they are called as named reactions, okay, which are very important for your exam. So among these named reactions, first one that we are going to learn in this video is aldol condensation. Spelling ALDOL, aldol condensation. So what is this aldol condensation? You can write down the statement, put the side heading and write down the statement, students. Two molecules of aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen react with each other in the presence of a dilute alkali such as potassium hydroxide or barium hydroxide and produce a compound known as aldol. This reaction is called as aldol condensation. Okay, so two molecules of aldehydes or ketones. The important feature of this condensation is the aldehyde or ketone which is involving in this condensation should possess alpha hydrogen. Okay, so such aldehydes or ketones react with one another or condense with one another in the presence of a dilute alkali to produce aldol. Okay, next I am writing the reaction here. So write down the reaction. Two molecules of CH3CHO in the presence of a base. Okay, so let it be a KOH or barium hydroxide. Okay, so in the presence of an alkali, they condense with one another forming an aldol. So the aldol forming here is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. Okay, it is called as beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Okay, so this is C double bond O carbon, adjacent one is alpha, this is beta. So on beta carbon there is OH group, hence it is called as beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Why it is called as butyraldehyde means total there are 4 carbons and there is aldehydic functional group. Hence the common name of this compound is butyraldehyde. On the beta carbon there is OH, hence it is called as beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Okay. Now let us see the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so carefully follow the mechanism so that it will be easy for you when doing the other examples. Okay, so under mechanism, first step is, so how many molecules involved? 2 molecules involved. Okay, so first step, 1 molecule of acetaldehyde. So write this alpha hydrogen separately. What is alpha hydrogen? The hydrogen present on the carbon adjacent to carbonyl group. Okay, so I am writing the hydrogen separately. So CH2H, C double bond O, H. Okay, so like this you write down. So it is taking place in the presence of a base. Right here OH minus. Okay, so this OH minus, what it does, it abstracts the hydrogen, that is alpha hydrogen, and forms H plus comes out, OH minus, and H plus comes out as minus H2. Okay, so next what happens, this bond shifts in between C and C, and this pi bond moves towards oxygen. Okay, so hydroxide ion, that is OH minus from the base, removes alpha hydrogen from one of the acetaldehyde molecules and creates. So what forms here? Just check once. So CH2. So what is formed here? Double bond C O minus, there is H. Okay. So it immediately rearranges like this. What happens? This O minus comes back and this pi bond shifts to carbon. So CH2 minus C double bond OH. So what do we call when a negative charge is present on carbon? It is called as carbanion. Okay, this is the first step. Fine, students. Next, second step, the carbon ion formed in the first step attacks. See, I am writing the step first. So one molecule is done, second molecule is there. So we don't need an alpha hydrogen in the second step. So write like this, CH3, C double bond OH. Now here comes the carbon ion formed in the first step. So how to write? CH2 minus C double bond OH, I am writing as CHO. Okay. So what happens? Again this pi bond shifts towards oxygen. That means O becomes O minus, C becomes C plus. So near this positive charge, this carbon ion comes and attacks. Okay. So what forms? CH3 CO minus, here is hydrogen. So here comes CH2 CHO. Okay. So this is called as anion of aldol. Okay, anion of aldol. Next, third step is this anion of aldehyde, this anion of aldol on protonation. So what does it mean? Writing here anion of aldol, CO minus H, CH2, CHO on protonation. That is a H plus adds up here and O minus attracts H plus forming CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CHO. This is our beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Okay. So this is the compound that is forming on condensation of two molecules of acetaldehyde in the presence of a base. But don't leave the step till here. One more step is there. That is the fourth step. Taking beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. So write down like this. CH3, CH, OH. Next is CH2 na. So one hydrogen, write it separately. CHO. So what happens? This OH and H comes out as minus H2O forming CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. This is called as alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. And alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. We can name it as crotonaldehyde. CROTONALDEHYD. Okay. So this is aldol condensation when we have taken two molecules of acetaldehyde. Okay. And one more example under this I am going to give you. So write down, put the side heading, aldol condensation. Aldol condensation between two acetone molecules. Two acetone molecules. Okay. So what I will do is I will just give you the reaction. You do the mechanism on your own. Okay. It will be like practice for you. So what is the reaction? 2CH3 C double bond O CH3 in the presence of a base gives CH3 C OH CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. Okay. So try to do this students on your own. So its name is 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone. Okay, so try to do the mechanism of this reaction on your own. So one more example, this I will do it for you. So third example, aldol condensation between two different molecules, that is called as crossed aldol condensation. What is it called? Crossed aldol condensation. So previous two examples we have taken the same or similar molecules, two aldehydes and two acetone molecules. Okay. So if the aldol condensation, if the two molecules are different, then it is called as crossed aldol condensation. Writing the example for you here. So the two molecules, one is benzaldehyde, the other one is acetaldehyde. Okay. So the main important feature of this aldol condensation is, among the two molecules, one should possess alpha hydrogen. Then only they can undergo aldol condensation. Okay. So what did I take here? This is acetaldehyde. I need not write here. But this is benzaldehyde. It doesn't have alpha hydrogen, but acetaldehyde has alpha hydrogen. Okay. And its name is beta-hydroxy beta-phenyl propanaldehyde. See, this is C double bond O carbon, alpha, beta. So on beta carbon there is hydroxy group, beta hydroxy, and also there is phenyl group. So beta phenyl propanaldehyde. Okay. Now let us look at the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. So first step is same like when we have taken two acetaldehyde molecules. Okay. So write down here acetaldehyde CH2H like we have written in the first mechanism. C double bond O H. This is OH minus. Same here, OH minus abstracts the alpha hydrogen and comes out as minus H2O. Okay. Next is this bond shifts between carbon and this pi bond goes towards oxygen. Okay. So we get CH2 double bond C O minus and H. This rearranges as minus comes back and this pi bond shifts to carbon, thus resulting in the formation of a carbanion. So this is the first step. Okay. So next step is write down. Second step, taking, what is the second molecule? Benzaldehyde. So we don't need an alpha hydrogen here. So C6H5, C double bond OH plus the carbanion formed in the first step. CH2 minus CHO. So what happens? This pi bond shifts towards oxygen. So O becomes O minus and C becomes C plus. The carbon attacks the positively charged carbon, resulting in the formation of C6H5 C O minus H CH2 CHO. Okay. So next is protonation. So addition of H plus. So O minus attracts this H plus, forming C6H5 CH. Here comes OH CH2 CHO. Okay. So like this we get beta hydroxy beta phenyl propanaldehyde. Okay. So finally removal of water. C6H5 CH OH. Write this hydrogen separately, CHO. Okay. So OH and H comes out as minus H2O. resulting in the formation of C6H5 CH double bond CH Previously in the first one we could get CH3 CH double bond CH that is called as crotonaldehyde, but here it is C6H5 group, it is called as cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde. Okay, and also such or crossed aldol condensation is also named as, write down this sentence students, Claisen-Schmidt reaction. Okay, so in order to confuse you in the question papers, they might ask you, write the mechanism of Claisen-Schmidt reaction. So you should write the same crossed aldol condensation. Okay, so mark my words students, this is a very important named reaction. So many are there, so I will be doing those reactions in the other videos. Okay, so practice well and learn well. Thank you.